Hi, my name is Tabby. Today I will be doing an oldie but goodie, my favorite video to watch, my favorite type of videos to film, and it's a good old what's in my bag. Now this is my LV bum bag and it is in the Empriente leather in Noir. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. I've only had it for 1 week, so I can't really give you guys like a thorough review, and this is not what this video is about. It's just a what's in my bag, and I can give you general thoughts, which I will, and eventually if you guys want one I will do a review. Yeah, I won't go into how much I love it, but I do really like it. Today I am carrying a bit more than I normally carry, so I figured that today would be a good day to show you this what's in my bag. So before I get started, today's video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. They are a carbon neutral jewelry brand, which I love, and also they use recycled metals, which I love as well. And so I chose 3 pieces. And if you know me, I love crystals. I'm actually an avid crystal collector. However, this is not like what the whole like company's about. They have tons of things, but I just chose things that were related to crystals. I do have 3 pieces that I adore, all crystal related. The first one, I will start off with this. Green is my favorite color. This is a green malachite ring, gold plated, and I won't go into the properties, but there are good properties to malachite. Also, green is my favorite color. Green also is a very hot color, and it's been trending this past season, so it's just a really nice pop of color. I really like it because it just matches with the background here outside. Next, I have this black onyx ring. I really like this ring, this black onyx ring, because it is very unique. It's flat, and I also like that it kind of reminds me of like a black mirror a little bit, but black onyx is really cool because it is a very protective stone, and considering what's going on in this world and everything, and also I'm used to living in the country. Oahu is more like a city and it's super busy, so I do find that having protection stones or just protection things in general are just good for me, and I just think it's super cute. Next, I do have the mother of pearl evil eye necklace. You guys know evil eye is also good for protection. Mother of pearl is a very feminine crystal, not really a crystal, it comes from the ocean, but it's just a very protective material. So I guess all of them are super protective and very feminine, and I just really like all of it. I do recommend Ana Luisa a lot. I have these pieces that I have been wearing on a daily from them like several months ago. I will say I have been swimming with it. I don't recommend it, but I have been swimming with it in the ocean by accident, and it hasn't tarnished. So I will stand for the quality, and as far as like the wear goes, it's pretty great. So they are having their hugest sale off their website. It's 20% off the whole entire website. I believe it's only for a couple weeks in November, but I'll put all the description and information down below. Alrighty, so this is, like I said, the bum bag in Noir and the Empriente leather. The leather is actually quite substantial. It's actually not as soft right now because with time Empriente leather tends to soften, and it has a beautiful top handle. In the front it has the Louis Vuitton Paris embossed leather, which is very deep and I love. And then in the back it has a zipper, and then it has a adjustable strap. I will show you guys some mod shots in a little bit, but today the bag is a little bit heavier. Like I said, it's a little bit heavier than normal, so when it comes to that, I do like to carry it on my shoulder. All right, so let's get right into the bag. So you open it, and it has a beautiful mustard microfiber, which is gorgeous. It's partially why I got this, because I just think it's gorgeous. This is my second time owning Empriente leather. This bag does tend to soften with time, and my first time having such a light interior, and it's gorgeous. But I do want to get a purse organizer or purse shaper so I don't get the insides like marks, because I do feel like this material you'll get marks. So the first thing I do have in here is my Fendi vintage catch-all. And inside it has, and typically I don't carry this all the time, it has some extra cards. And then, because we went to the mall before, so I just wanted to make sure I had the stuff, but not always do I carry this. I have one of my favorite lip glosses. Well, my makeup company is Merit. It won't focus. Is Merit, and I like it because they don't have all the like harsh ingredients and chemicals that absorb through your skin, so it's really cool. I will put a little bit on because it's very moisturizing, and also it's just a very light, subtle color, which I can appreciate. I don't even know if I put that on straight, it's so hard to see, but yeah, I really like it because it's just very creamy, not sticky, and doesn't have the crappy chemicals in there. Okay, and then I have some cash, and then I have, of course, hand sanitizer. This is a coincidence that I'm carrying this type of hand sanitizer, but it says Honolulu Sunset. So that's what's in here. I like to put those in there because they can leak, and with leaking can damage the bag. And then next, I have my phone, which is so old. This is the 10 Plus. I honestly need to get a new phone, but I'm so over getting the newest and like latest and greatest phone over and over again. I really do think it's a waste of money, and personally, if my phone's working great, I don't know. But I do think I need to upgrade because a Plus doesn't work for me. A Plus is just way too big, and I much rather like go down to the smaller size. So yeah, I do think this case is very cute though. I'll link it down below if you're interested. And then in the back I have this. Now this is a Gouryard pouch, and when I mean Gouryard pouch, I will link a video down below or put it up here, but basically it is a huge goal of mine to find a luxury handbag at a thrift store. I've seen many of people do it. I have found great finds there, but yet I have not found a luxury bag. With that, I thought I found a Gouryard tote. I go through the whole video on how I authenticate the bag with you guys, so I think that you guys should check it out. A lot of you guys said just to wear the bag because I found it at a thrift store, and it would be a use to toss it and like just to give it back. So I haven't used it personally, but a lot of you guys were like, just use it, it's not a big deal, and who cares what people think. But I just haven't. I have other totes that I can reach for. It might be a fun beach bag, but I did like this. Now I don't carry this all the time, but I saw that it's a great shape, and I love that it can carry cash in the back. So I have just been using it a couple days to put like cash back there, and I don't claim this to be real or anything like that. It's just a catch-all or like a money holder that I've been using. You guys know me, I don't promote fakes, but like I said, I found it at the thrift store, so I'm kind of just making use of what I did find. All right, so that is basically it in the front, and then it has the little inside right there, and that's what fits for what I have. And like I said, I typically don't carry this guy all the time, and that's kind of it in there, really. In this bag, I really want to be sure to carry things that are not loose because I don't want marks in there, like I said many times. So then in the back, I have the zipper, and this is nice because this is easy to access spot, which I like. And that I have my Costco membership, which I should put away, but I have my 6 key ring holder from Louis Vuitton in the, I would say damier graphite, but is it graphite? I don't know, tell me. So I have the 6 key ring holder from Louis Vuitton. It is the men's line, which I love. Actually, I was thinking about getting a men's line bag instead of this, but this just stole my heart. I really like this. This just has like my keys. It has a lot of keys. And then in the back here, it has like my ID card. It has my driver's license, which are the same, and then like credit cards and stuff like that. Things that I need to easily access. So that's really cool, and that just goes in the back because it is easily accessible, and that's pretty much what I grab all the time. So I don't know what this is for, but overall I do like this bag. I just think it's really cool and just carefree. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like this. So I do typically wear it like this most of the times, especially when it's like light. I will say I do feel like it can get pressure back here, and then I can carry it in the back like this. But when it's heavy as it currently is, I carry it on my shoulder like so. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I have the description all down below, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.